Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. So what you're going to need is some Philly steak meat. This is by Gary's Quick Steak. You're going to need red bell pepper. I also use a Fresco pepper, green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. Okay, so you want to turn your pot on to medium-high heat. I'm using a wok. You can use a regular pan too, something kind of deep. And I'm taking some toasted sesame seed oil to cook the meat and the vegetables with. It's just gonna be half record, half voiceover. It's too much. Okay, so right here I added the garlic, onion, and my peppers, and I already added the meat. This is gonna cook fast. It's gonna cook real fast. Like, this is really easy to make, you guys, and it don't take no time. So once the meat break up and brown, then you'll be ready to wrap your egg roll. But we got a few more steps until we get to that. Still gotta season this and everything like that. Okay, so after about 6 minutes, this is what you'll have. Okay, so now I'm gonna start my seasoning. So I use the seasonings that come with the meat, but then I also add some kosher salt, a little garlic powder, a little bit of this chef's blend. I add a little bit of honey infused cayenne and garlic, or you could just use regular honey. I don't have regular honey right now, just to give it a little sweetness. Carne asada seasoning, white pepper, a little bit of this lime, garlic, and cilantro, soy sauce, and hot giardiniera. So I'm gonna add some hot giardiniera right now to it to give it that spice kick and that crunch. I like stuff spicy, sweet and spicy, you know, like that sweet spicy flavor profile. Okay, so what I did now was I took the meat out and put it into a container. Put all the meat, put into a container. Set it aside for wrapping in a second. So now I'm taking some peanut oil, which I like to fry with, and just let it get hot in my wok. Okay. So now I'm gonna assemble the egg rolls. So I'm using the Nisoya egg rolls, and I have some water in a dish right here. You can use egg wash, but I don't have an egg, so I'm using water. Water is perfectly fine. And what you want to do is take your egg roll. Oh yeah, you're gonna need some cheese. I have mozzarella cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. So you take your egg roll, take a little bit of the water or egg wash, and you brush the sides. This one is crunchy, so we're not gonna use that one. Matter of fact, all these are crunchy on the ends. I have another bag. I'm gonna use this bag. I'm gonna take the wash, put it on the ends, the sides and the ends. Okay. Get some cheese. Take some cheese. Put it in the center. Okay. Then you're gonna take some meat, not with a lot of juice, and you're gonna put that on top and keep everything in the center. Now it's very easy to make egg rolls, and you can stuff it with whatever you like. I'm just doing Philly cheesesteaks today because it's by request. So, and then you put a little bit more cheese on top. You can put as much cheese or little cheese as little cheese as you want. Alright, so now that you got everything in the middle, what you want to do is take your side, the longer side, and you roll it over like that. Okay? And then you're going to bring the other corner and tuck it back like that. Then the other corner, tuck it back. You can put a little bit more water on there just so it can stick, because your water or egg wash works like glue. Alright, and then you're gonna roll it like a pocket. Okay. Then you can seal it with the water. And there's your first one. Right now, we got some cooking up. I wrapped them and everything. So you let them cook till they get brown. You just flip them over. Like this one is ready. I mean, if you want them a little darker, you can leave them in, but I like them to be about this color. And you just get some of the excess grease off. That one. Put that one. And you see how my grease is still clear and clean? You never want to cook with dirty grease, because then that messes with the flavor. And there you have it, guys. Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Nice and crispy, nice and crunchy. So let's...
You good?
Hear that crunch, y'all? It's so good. Hot too.
Rather satisfying. Scrumptious.
I love that crunch. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys try this recipe. And like I said, you can do this with just vegetables. That'll be another tutorial too, like veggie egg rolls. But you can put anything in an egg roll, wrap it and fry it. So let me know if you guys have tried this, will try it, or whatever. And if you do try it, please tag me in it on my Instagram and everything.